let's make the crispiest, crunchiest Panko-Crusted Fish Tacos. Let me show you how to make them. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our panko breadcrumbs and we're gonna put them in the food processor and get them finely ground. If you're gluten-free, no problem. You can get gluten-free panko breadcrumbs. Done. So Baja fish tacos are typically deep fried, which are so good, but these are a healthier version because they're air fried, but just as crispy, just as crunchy, so super good. We're gonna put our panko back in there, and then we are gonna add our spices. We have paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper. We're gonna whisk that all together, and then we're gonna get ready to use our breading station. First things first, let's preheat the air fryer. We're gonna go preheat 400, 4 minutes, start. While that's preheating, we are going to prep our fish.
Nemo! No!
You can use any kind of mild, flaky white fish for this. Haddock, cod, use tilapia. We're gonna cut it into 1-inch thick strips. The recipe calls for 20 ounces of fish, so it may take 2 rounds in the air fryer, but it's super quick. It cooks in 6 minutes, so easy peasy. We have our breading station in front of us, rice flour in the first bowl, beaten eggs in the second, and our seasoned panko breadcrumbs in the third. Let's get started. I'm gonna dredge that lightly. I like to keep 1 wet hand and 1 dry hand. So this, right hand, dry. Left hand, wet. In the egg mixture, down, back to the right hand, dry. Just makes it a little less messy. I'm gonna get all of these breaded, and then I'll show you how to put them in the air fryer. Okay, we're ready to fry. Remove our preheated basket. Make sure to put the crisper basket inside the air fryer, and then we're gonna take spray oil. We're gonna generously spray the tops and around our fish, and then we're going to lay it in the turbo. And this, like I said, is gonna cook so quickly, 6 minutes, and then we're gonna be ready to dig in. Air fry, 400 degrees, 6 minutes. Start. While that's cooking, we're gonna make our mashed avocado, which we're gonna use in our tortillas. Gently cut this. This is like a little doodly dop, tiny one. So a perfectly ripe avocado is a little soft to the touch, where it has like a little bit of give when you squeeze it, but it's not mushy. If there's parts of the skin that are bruised or you can easily tell are super soft, no good. You also don't want a rock hard avocado. We're gonna season this with salt and pepper. And then just with a fork, easy. Mash. That's gonna be all ready for our fish tacos in just a few minutes. Oh my goodness, perfectly golden brown and crispy, just like we love them. Let's try it. I'm gonna take a tortilla, a warmed tortilla, spoonful of our avocado mash, and then we're gonna do some fresh cilantro, a fresh squeeze of lime. Let's taste it. Perfectly salted. Love the seasoning. It's mild, so you can taste the avocado. The cilantro is great. The lime makes it so bright and fresh. And the corn tortilla, absolutely delicious. You gotta try this recipe. Can't wait to see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.